Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to create a mixed media little project using a book page. You could also use a magazine page with words on it. It's called Blackout Poetry, Blackout Poetry. I call it Found Poetry in my mixed media class. And it's basically where you take an old piece of paper out of a book. I have a bunch of books that in my classroom that I got from thrift stores or books that were taken out of circulation in the media center years ago. And this one is from Jaws 2, which I think is pretty cool. And basically what I'm gonna do first is just go through here and just pick out words that stand out to me the most. It doesn't need to rhyme. It can just be like a vibe. It can be a full sentence, but it doesn't need to be. And I am just going to get started doing that. The words that I highlighted says, "She was weather-beaten, halfway between the beach and danger. No stopping. Not tired. She was trying it again. Surely coming up. She was steady into smooth water." So what I envision for this is a girl or a woman or someone who has been through so much, weather-beaten, halfway between the beach, maybe clear waters, maybe an easier life, and danger. But she won't give up. It says she's not stopping, she's not tired, and she's going to keep trying. And eventually, in the end, she sails into smooth water. So what I'm going to do is get rid of a lot of the other words and just bring out the words that I underlined. And then I'm going to add a bit of decoration or illustration that kind of shows the vibe that I'm going for as far as the words that I underlined. Think about the colors that you are using on your poem. Certain colors can have certain meanings. Dark colors can be scary, but they can also be powerful. Bright colors can be happy, but they can also be somewhat unsettling at times. Blues, greens, and cool colors can mean serene or relaxed. Just think about it. Now I'm adding some different types of media, a Sharpie marker, as well as some white charcoal. The lines that I'm using can create different feelings. Smooth lines at the bottom can definitely be more calming, and the jagged lines at the top and reaching the top kind of give you a scary feeling. So here I am emphasizing my words, but I'm also emphasizing the path in which the words should be read. I'm not making it super obvious, but you can make it obvious if you'd like, especially if your words are out of order as far as going from top to bottom. Your words can go all over the page. Just make sure that your viewer knows which words to read first, second, third, and so on. Also, adding some black gives a bit of drama and contrast, and it also just makes the words stand out a little bit more. Lastly, I am just adding a few more details. I forgot that there was the word "and" in there somewhere, and I must have covered it up, so I added a little "and" a little bit of embellishment on the more exciting words. Anyways, I hope you guys try this, and I hope you enjoy.